Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace Enphase M series microinverters. Let me quickly explain how to find if you need to replace microinverters. With the older Enphase system you will see Envoy box like that, and with the newer system it's going to be Enphase combiner box. In the two of them you will see lightning icon, and if this icon is red, that means one or more microinverters not reporting to the system. If you open Enphase application where you can see your entire array, and if you see situation like that when 5 or 6, 7, whatever amount of panels, all of them not reporting, most likely it's AC connection problem. I would start with the electrical panel to check connection for circuit breaker, and then go to junction box and all Enphase connectors, because 99% is going to be AC issue problem. Then if you see individual microinverters not reporting, like in this situation, then 99% is bad microinverters. You can contact Enphase, and because microinverters have 25 years warranty, Enphase will send you replacement. And we got system with 2 dead microinverters, so now we're just going to climb the roof and replace them.
And here we are on the roof, and here's the 2 boxes with new microinverters. We're going to remove the solar panels and replace them. To detach microinverter from trunk cable, we need to use special tool, and I don't have this. So I'm just gonna take flat screwdriver and then wiggle one side of connector, and then wiggle other side, and it's gonna be easily detachable. At the bottom of new microinverter we have label with serial number. I'm going to detach this label and stick to old microinverter, and we'll need this for later to replace this in the system. Also, when we're lifting solar panel with bad microinverter, with the clamp meter I'm double checking that solar panel is not pushing any power. So in this case we are 100% sure that microinverter is bad.
Самая крутая гарантия.
And after installing new microinverter, I'm gonna do the same check, and we can see right now that solar panel is pushing 6.3 amps into the system. Now we're going to connect second microinverter and do the same test. Please note that IQ 6, 7 and 8 microinverters can take somewhere about 5 minutes to start producing the power, and older style M series might take up to 15 minutes when it's going to start to produce power.
Что они разные модели, это все равно.
And we're done on the roof. Now we need to replace microinverters in the system. And here's the old M250 microinverter. We need to take old serial number and replace in the system with a new one. There are 2 ways how replace microinverters. First is the Enphase installer toolkit. I think as a homeowner we can download this and replace in our system. Or we can call Enphase customer support, provide them old and new serial number, and they will do this for us. In the toolkit we need to go to replacement and RMA service, and here we have option to replace devices. If you go to IQ microinverters, here's going to be form where we need to enter old and new serial numbers. After getting confirmation, it's going to take about 20 minutes when a new microinverter is going to be registered in the system. And then on Envoy, the lightning icon should turn green. That means all microinverters reporting to the system, and we can see that 2 new microinverters generating power.
Alright guys, that's all about this video. I hope you'll find something useful, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.